Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone without knowing your passcode and Touch ID registered. No SIRI needed to unlock the iPhone. In fact, this is the latest 2017 iPhone hack discovered by a computer science student. This iPhone passcode hack only works with iOS 10 above. Okay, let's find out how it works. I will demonstrate this iPhone hack on my iPhone 7 Plus. Let me clarify, this iPhone never register any Touch ID on it. Apparently, you can see I can't unlock my iPhone by my finger. Please follow exactly every steps in this video. Any single step omitted will fail to unlock the iPhone. So don't blame me if you can't unlock. You need to be patient to successfully unlock. Key in every code showed in the video and follow every single step. First, go to search bar. Small e. Capital T. Slash. Capital Q. Small p. Small r. Small g. Small h. Small k. Small z. At 1 9. Capital K. Capital Q. Small y. 4. Colon. Small j. Small o. Capital P. This is the most critical part. Please follow exactly every steps shown. Double tap on the code, click select all. Click copy. Double tap the code again. Click select all. And copy. Now click the cross to remove all the code. Click cancel. Back to home page. Please follow every steps. Now go to search bar again. Paste the code. Double tap the code. Select all. And copy the code again. Now recopy the code. But this time do not remove the code. Click cancel. Click the code again. And hit the cancel. The reason of such repetition is to bypass the security of your iPhone, so you able to unlock it without passcode. Now, one more step you will be able to unlock the iPhone. Press the top volume button, sleep-wake button and home button simultaneously. I repeat simultaneously. Press all at the same time. If you fail to do that, I'm sorry, you have to repeat all the steps again in order to unlock. Copy down this code. This code is discovered by a computer science student from Russia who specialized in cryptography. If you wish to follow him, check the video description for his social media account. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Actually, you've been pranked, ha 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 ha. I am sorry. Ha 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 ha. Share this video to prank your friend too, ha ha ha.